everyone, this is Sam Create the Heart, and I'm back with a little card making video. Today we're going to be using a brand new to me stamp set called Make Lemonade from Fawn. It's from their recent release. I have the dies as well as the stencils. I'm a little bit, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to buy the stencils anymore. I personally don't think that they are necessary. I felt like it took longer for me to stencil than it did for me to color, and maybe it's great for people who maybe aren't as confident with their coloring, but I mean, it was fun to try. So I do have a few of these stamp sets where I have the stencil, and I might use them on occasion, but they're definitely not something I'm going to be drawn to using. I did use this Henry's Alphabet, I think it's called, and I also use a new favorite die called Lemonade Stand, which I am going to be finding all different kinds of ways to use it because it's really fun set. All right, so I'll go ahead and get started. It looks like I need to get this a little flatter here. All right, so I've got, so this paper, I think this paper I got for free. So whenever you buy from the Fawn website, you get a couple of things that are included. One of which is some paper. You usually get like some paper that's card size, A2 size, like 3 or 4 sheets of paper. You also get a stamp set. This one says just for you. I should say a sentiment. And then this right here, I just went ahead and cut this out of a scallop die that I have in my stash. And then I just did some really simple ink blending with some distressed oxide. So I just did a pink, a blue, and sort of like a blue-green. This is When Life Gives You Lemons, Make Lemonade. So, and what I discovered is I actually want to spell out the word lemon. So I'm going to find a way to cover it up somehow, because I was going to spell out the word lemons, but then I forgot to cover that. So let's see what I'm going to do. I think that's what I'll do. I will cover it up with a little something. So that's what I'm going to do. Because I messed up. I forgot to cover it. So we adapt. Okay. So then I've got my words. And so what I did to make the words is I just inked up some scratch paper. And then I just inked it, and then I just used this to cover, and then I used it to color out the words. So, lemons. Okay, so let me go ahead and glue this down. Sometimes you gotta adapt, because I made these cards like a week ago, and then I have to remember how everything goes. But yeah, I just inked some yellow ink. I've used actually some shimmer ink from Pink and Maine because I had it handy, and so I just did a quick blend of ink on just some white cardstock, and then I used the die on there and cut it out. And Really fun. Apparently I like bees and lemons. I have quite a few lemon things. Like I feel like on purpose, but I have a lot of lemon things. Okay, now I've got this little guy, and I think he would be a good person to have in the... So I'm going to I'm going to tape him from the back. And then he's going to go right here. And I'm going to prop him up on a little bit of foam tape. Let me grab some foam tape. My craft room is an unholy mess. I have been like, this week, I finally got a chance to really spend some time in my craft room. And so I did a bunch of cards. Like, I probably made like 15 cards, maybe more. A lot of cards. Really, really fun. Get a little bit more tape. And there we go. It's just been perfect because it's been very warm here. I feel like I need a little tiny bit more. Right there. All right, perfect. I'm fitting a lot on this card. I stamped every single bit of stuff more than once in the stamp set. Cute. Okay, and then I think this is going to go here. To put a little bit of and we got this guy here. That. And this guy here. And he's having a cupcake. And I'm going to put just a few more things. And this card is going to be done. So this. There we go. And a lemon. There we go. Cute, right? All right. Now we are going to this is like a little bit not the right size. I will cut the bottom. I must not have cut this very well. So this is not one of the free paper. This paper I had in my stash, but I do believe that it is Lawn Fawn paper. And okay. So this is how it comes together. So you have all these different pieces. You have this piece that goes on the bottom. And so the pieces here, they are kind of like embossed. So they already have that wood grain look. And I'll do sides. But I love it. It's just a really, I think it's really fun. You could put all different kinds of images in the frame. It could be just a frame, or you could just do it as a stand. Be really great for all of like the baking, anything food related. Really cute. Okay. And I'm going to put him in here. And do it like that. All right, so I'm going to have him there. Here, I think maybe I'll have him more over here. And that'll go here. I might put that there. We'll see. That. This first squeezed. That'll go there. So just trying to figure out where everything's going to go. Okay, we are ready. I really, you know, it's been a while since I've actually made a card with Lawn Fawn, even though I have a ton of it. I don't really love it. I bought a ton of Mama Elephant, so I really do need to pull that out because I have not used any of the new stuff that I bought. I bought a lot. And let's do it's like stuck. All right, and that there. And really fun. Fun. All right, and that's it. All shirts. All right. So here's this card. And this card. Is that fun? Thanks so much for watching. It's the same Great Art.